Hi guys, this is A Touch of Sparkle by Monica. I am doing a quick project tonight, again with some Dum Dum Lollipops. This is going to be a project using little mason jars. I got these small mason jars at Joann's. These are some really cute ball mason jars. I am doing this pretty late at night, so I apologize for my video. There's our favorite suckers, the Dum Dum Lollipops. You can decorate this really however you want to. The ones I've got right here are pretty simple. I just did the tissue paper inside the mason jar and rubber banded some Dum Dum Lollipops and stuck the lids on top. Well, the flat part of the lid, like the seal of the lid. The actual lid for the jar, of course, I put that around there already because it's going to hold your suckers in place along with the tissue paper. And then you can use your little seal as sort of like a gift tag. You can decorate it however you want to, though. I've got all sorts of ribbon here, as you can see. And since I've got blue and green jars, I pulled a bunch of blue and green ribbon. And then I've got some blue and green papers. They are these 6x6. And I got that at Joann's. I've had that for a while in different styles of the blue and green colors. I'm going to use my little tag hole punch that I've got. There's there's 3 different sizes of the tags. This contraption I got, I don't know, years ago through ABC. You can see there's the different sizes. I use the hole punch and just punch out whatever I want. It's actually going to make all 3 of these tags at one time, so you can use the extras for whatever other projects you might have. But I think I'll probably do the hole punch, and then I will put one of the tags, maybe put a piece of double stick tape on top of the seal and just write that person's name on it, sort of like a cool little gift tag. I've just taken the lids off of these 2 empty ball mason jars, put the circular lid right back on it so that it gives me a place to put my tissue paper down in, and then I'm going to band together probably about 15 or 16 of these Dum Dum Lollipops, put a rubber band around the end after I've stuffed the tissue paper in there, as you can see here, to kind of make it, I don't know, like a flower, and then just pop those suckers right down into the center of that tissue paper, which is going to be nested down in here. I took that whole piece of green tissue paper that's got some glitter embedded in it, and I just took it, folded it in half, and actually started pushing it down into the mason jar. After I get my my suckers banded together, I'm going to just kind of open this up a little bit. And I'm just going to be nestling that sucker bouquet down in that tissue paper. Normal size rubber band, and wrapping it around the base of the lollipop group here. Wrap it around there. Try to get it around there at least 3 times so you're able to let it go. Just going to take those and kind of go in catty corner. Push it down in there. Now I poked the edges of that tissue paper down in the jar just a little bit better. That way it kind of looks like a little flower with some leaves around the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can make it bigger or you can have it smaller, whatever you like, but I just made it to where it's comfortable, and it's kind of like a little posy or something. Marigold. I'm not an expert in flowers, but it's multicolored, so it's cute. And it will be delicious because it's multi-flavored. You could kind of play around with whatever you want to do as far as your ribbon, or if you want to do it simple, like these other 2 here where I got the flower done just like how I've got right here, but I simply put the lid seal, just poked it down into the suckers, and that's sort of like a little card tag. I went another step further and made some of these little tags. So I think what I'll do is take a piece of double stick tape and put it on the back of my tag that I made and just pop it on the lid. So that way they can remove it. Whenever they get done eating all their suckers, they can actually use that jar if they'd like for whatever purpose they have. And they've got something that's really cute. This is something I kind of threw together because I've been making various lollipop topiaries and little sundaes and things with these suckers, these Dum Dum Lollipops. I hope the people will like them that I'm giving them to, and maybe you guys will like this idea if you have some mason jars lying around and you'd like to use them up this is a neat little way to do it. Here are my final 4 of the Dum Dum Lollipop bouquet in mason jars. So cute. Very quick and easy. You can make these as big or as small as you'd like. The little Dum Dum Lollipops in multiple colors are the flower, and then the tissue paper are acting as leaves. And I alternated the tissue paper because of the colors of the jars. So where I have a blue jar, I've got the green paper, and then the white paper with the green jars. Delicious and cute. Who can beat that? And it has sparkly glitter in the paper, so that's right up my alley. Enjoy, guys!